Hi, my name is Idil. I'm a biomedical engineer and my co-op cycle is fall-winter, so I work from September to March. My last co-op was at Genentech, a biotechnology company located in South San Francisco. Co-op gives you a lot of real work experience that not only does it look great on your resume, but a lot of companies, when you're looking for a full-time job, will appreciate that and are more likely to hire you. At Genentech, I worked in manufacturing support, which looked at current processes made for drugs that were produced in the 70s. And I worked on how to make them more relevant and more applicable to today's technology in terms of biotech. I brought in a lot of my understanding from classes, tissue engineering and cell culture. In a typical day, I have a number of classes to go to, as well as a number of meetings. A lot of my classes require teamwork, so I will meet with my teammates, discuss sort of papers and presentations that we have to complete, and I will also go into the laboratory to do research for either my senior design project or for my independent research in the bio department. The 7th floor of the Bastone building is the biomedical engineering floor. They have their own floor. It's basically a second home for me. I go up there, I visit professors and other students, and it's a great location to hang out and mingle with your fellow peers. Besides working with other teammates for classes, I have my senior design research to conduct in the laboratory, as well as my independent research that I do in the lab for the bio department. Drexel is very research-oriented, and a lot of students have opportunities to go into the lab and do independent research under professors. A lot of the laboratories have been renovated, and a lot of new buildings have been currently put up and constructed to accommodate the expansion of the research going on at Drexel. So anytime that you're in the lab, you can appreciate how new and how updated everything is. My last oral presentation was for biomaterials. We presented on the biomaterial chitosan. To do the presentation, we completed a lot of research on the current technology and the current uses that they have for chitosan. I love biomedical engineering because it's combining my love of biology and the human body, as well as the emerging technologies, such as tissue engineering is one of my favorite classes. Biomaterials is a great class. It's a great major for things that are in the future and for a lot of stuff that's new and being reported on. My extracurricular activities include Society of Women Engineers, which is sweet. I'm president this year and we do a lot of volunteering and engineering outreach. Last month we made Christmas cards. Another activity that I like to do is volunteer at Drew Elementary, which is an elementary school in West Philadelphia. And I also like to go to the gym a couple times a week. The thing that I like most about Drexel is the student and professor interaction. Especially in the biomedical engineering department, the professors are very knowledgeable about their field and very approachable. At Drexel, they push you to be the best student that you can be in terms of research and professionally. So any sort of interest that I've had in terms of research, I've always been able to approach a professor and ask them if I can become involved. As a graduating senior, I look back on my 5 years at Drexel and I'm very happy that I made the decision to come here.